Installation version 2. Installation over the sink. Water pipes placed within the walls. Important: prior to installation, close main water valve for hot and cold water. Prepare the appropriate couplings and tools. Use an appropriate wrench to remove the faucet. Screw the appropriate couplings in. Install the hose couplings on the cold water pipe. Reattach the faucet. Attach the orange hose to the couplings and tighten the nut. Attach the other end to its matching counterpart within the unit. Make a hole in the countertop. Be aware that making holes in some countertops requires specialist types of drill bits or should be done by a specialist. Place the clamp on the waste pipe. Place the blue hose to its matching counterpart within the unit. Feed its other end through the hole in the countertop to attach it to the sewage pipe via the coupling attached to the clamp. Wastewater. Do not put the hose too deep into the sewage pipe.
Installing the hygienic filter.
Take the cover off the unit, press it gently and move it to the back. Unclip the 6 clips of the water tank and lift the lid. Attach the filter in its proper place at the bottom of the lid by pushing it in. Place the lid on top of the tank and use the clips to lock it in place. Open the valves for hot and cold water of the faucet. Open the coupling valve on the faucet. The unit will start to work. You will be able to hear the unit filling with water. At this stage, wait 15 minutes. Place a glass under the tap of the unit. Open the tap and wait for the first drops of water to appear in the glass. After the first drops of water appear in the glass, close the tap and wait for about 30 minutes. Next, open the tap again and dispose of 5 full glasses of filtered water. Ideally, dispose of a tank worth of water. Bear in mind that the speed of the filtration and filling of the tank depends on the quality, temperature and pressure of the water within the connected system.